Today we are introducing our compact all-in-one copper cable recycling machine, specially designed for efficient separation of copper and plastic from waste wires and cables. Let's start with the feeding stage. Waste copper wires and cables are fed into the crusher, where the material is quickly reduced into small granules. The crushing system is engineered for stable operation and uniform output size, which is essential for achieving high separation efficiency in the next step. After crushing, the mixed material enters the gravity separation unit. Using the difference in specific gravity between copper and plastic, the separator efficiently divides the materials into clean copper granules and plastic fractions. The airflow and vibration system work together to ensure accurate and stable separation performance. The result is high-purity copper output that is ready for further processing or direct sale. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its all-in-one compact design. Compared with traditional recycling lines that require multiple standalone machines and complex installation, this unit significantly reduces the required footprint. It is especially suitable for small to medium recycling plants, startup recycling businesses, facilities with limited workshop space, customers looking for a cost-effective entry solution. Installation is simple, operation is user-friendly, and maintenance requirements are low. In terms of capacity, this model delivers up to 300 kilograms per hour, providing a balanced solution between productivity and investment cost. It is well suited for processing communication cables, automotive wires, household scrap wires, mixed copper cables. With stable performance and reliable separation quality, the machine helps maximize copper recovery while reducing labor intensity. From feeding to final separation, the entire process is designed for efficiency, stability, and ease of operation. Our goal is to help recyclers turn waste cables into valuable resources in the most economical way. If you are looking for a compact, efficient, and reliable wire recycling solution, this 300 kilograms H all-in-one machine could be the perfect fit for your operation. Thank you for watching. For more information, technical details, or a customized solution, feel free to contact us anytime.